Now we are going to look at count function. Count function helps to count the number of cell or range that contain number, and it counts the cell which contains only number, and it will not consider text or blank cells for the calculation. Here I have list of staff who worked in the weekend. Also, I want to know the count of staff who worked in the weekend. These are the staff worked in the weekend. To get count, equal count, and select the list. So here I'm getting 9. So total 9 staffs worked in the weekend. So we can check here as well. This is 9. Let me copy paste the formula to other cell. Let's assume in this list some of the staff did not work in the weekend. I'll take out this name, I'll take out this name. So if you see here, my count has changed. So count generally won't consider the blank. Also, it will not consider the text. So I'll take this, I'll say this staff is on leave. So it will exclude. So it will count only numbers. It will not count text or the blank cells. Let's move to the next session.